Hey everyone! So today is a slightly different video than things that I would normally do, but I really wanted to document the progress of how I paint denim and like doing the design and like what I actually use to paint it and stuff. So more of like an arty creative kind of tutorial DIY video. But first off, I'll show you what I use to paint if you're really far away, but hopefully the sound is okay. So first of all, you're going to need some acrylic paint. I literally just have standard little tubes of different colors. Any colors that you want, you can use any acrylic paint, it doesn't matter. I usually use the cheapest that I can get. You'll also need some brushes, literally just whatever size you think you would need for your design. I've got a few different sizes. A pencil, again, any pencil, as long as it works. And I've got a massive tube of white acrylic paint because I usually mix colors to make them paler a lot more often. You might also want like a black one if you want to darken colors a lot. And then I have this Liquitex Professional Fabric Medium, which is what you mix with the acrylic paint so that it goes on to the denim or fabric, whatever you're using, and actually stays on there. Right, Luna is also in this room, kind of just waddling around and snacking, so you might hear little puppy noises. So the first thing you're going to want to do is like have a nice big flat surface, make sure what you're painting is clean, and then you're going to want to start with your pencil and you're going to start sketching out the design that you want to have. Also, yes, I'm eating mini eggs in January, don't judge me. most of this video will probably be like time-lapsing, just like showing that. I've never really filmed myself making art besides like makeup. So if there's like you'd rather see like closer details, or if you'd rather see it in a different way, please let me know. Or even if you find this interesting, that would be awesome. But yeah, these jeans are done now. They're completely dry as well. Just move my mini snacks and drinks and things out of the way and like just show them like this. So on the back, I just did the one detail on the butt pocket with the flowers there, little sakura. And then on the front, we've got it by the hip. I'm standing on my sofa. And then down the leg as well. These will also be on my Depop. I'll put a link down below if you're interested. I've got a couple different painted pieces on there at the moment. These ones are a size 14 regular, so if that is your size, go crazy. Some of the other pieces that I painted, I've kind of put away, so it's kind of hard to get to, but this one is still out at the moment. It's a pair of shorts. They've got some cute little ice creams and candies and stars and a rainbow on the butt. That one is already on my Depop. And then there's also a pair of dungarees overalls with some painted things. I was gonna say the size of these, but there isn't a UK size, but there is a Euro 46 or a US/Canada size 16. So if that's your size and you like them, they may or may not still be on my Depop depending on when you watch this. But yeah, if that's something that you are interested in, please let me know. I can make more videos showing like the technique and the actual products, more close up. But yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I guess that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one, which will be soon, in like quite a long break since New Year's / Christmas time. But I've got a list of videos that I'm planning and I'm ready to do. Luna is crying because she wants to go pee. 1 second, baby! But yeah, there should be one coming out very, very soon that I'm very excited about. I've already started like making little props for it. Okay, I'll speed up. Props for it so that I can do it, and that will be coming soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye! I'm coming, Lou. 1 second.